Sele kumnyaka amahlangothi amanye wesibhedlela eCharlotte Maxeke lumatha ngomlilo. Ngemva kokuriyada komsebenzi wokulungisa isibhedlela, ungqongqotjhe wezempilo ahlathulule njengento engamukelekiko uthi umnyango wezempilo enarheni le ukateleleke ukuthi uzenzele ngokwayo umsebenzi lo ukwenzela ukuthi isibhedlela lesi sivulwe sisebenze ngokupheleleko. Ungqongqotjhe uthe nakabuzwa kobona kuba yini kunganamuntu namunye othose umlando ngendaba le waphendula ngalindlela.
I have no authority to go and say to whoever was given the task in the Department of Infrastructure in the Gauteng province to go and say, I as a Minister of Health is going to take action against you. It doesn't work that way. It's an indictment on our society. If we're going to have a situation where our hospitals must look like army barracks, where every corner there must be a security guard to look after ventilators, to look after this and that equipment. Very sad if that's where we're going.
There has been some arrests as late as last week. In fact, we also even had some of our staff members. We are dealing with one case which is still sub judice.
Nanyana kunjalo isibhedlela siyavuma ukuthi kube nokuthikaziseka kwezokuphepha ngesikhathi kuthuthwa inguli. Kulindeleke ukuthi ihlangothi lezo sizolirhabako livulwe ngenyanga ezako sihlabandangana kodwana ukuqedwa ngokupheleleko ukulungisa isibhedlela lesi kuzabe kumnyaka ozako u2023.